TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 29. NASDAQ is up 9. S&Ps are down 6.5. We have the gold contract back $8.10, trading at $11.89. Silver is down 8 cents at $15.34. Now, both gold and silver, gold in particular, got to that 1,200 mark. That was a 100% move of a move. You can expect that baby's going to back down. Silver, same setup in silver. Silver needs a lot more juice in it. I suspect first you'll get a little back down, then volume will come in once again. Platinum is up $3, trading at $9.28. Copper is down 6 pennies tonight. A copper move is a monster move, folks. 6 pennies were at $2.02. Last night in Japan was down 5.5%. China is closed for the Lunar New Year. We'll see if that rejects the $2.02 to $2 level. Light sweet crude, we're up 12 cents at $29.81. Light sweet crude has had 2 separate signs of strength overnight. I expect you're going to see light sweet crude to catch a bid. Bonds. Keep your eye on the bond market. Why? Because bonds have gone exponential. We had the 10-year hit a new high today. The 30-year hit a new high. They've given it up for this point. I expect you're going to see a lot of different reversals out here today, meaning bonds going lower, the metals market going lower, S&P's going higher. King dollar's down 366 ticks right now at 96.21. The euro is up 69. The yen is at 115. Now, what the market did on the open out here, folks, is this, and this is really powerful. As we come off the lows yesterday, we would come off the lows fast and furious. The S&P futures, the NASDAQ futures, they were testing those lows this morning. The S&P futures rejected them. NASDAQ futures rejected them. You come off the 1825. You're already at 1853. I expect you're going to see this market just take off big time. You're going to see an 1880 print out of here today. And if that's what we get, that's a 55-point move in the S&Ps. Why? Because the deviance inside the marketplace is about as good as you get, meaning you have Japan down 5.5%. Europe across the board prior to our open was down over 2.5%. And guess what? It goes into where the buyer was from yesterday, and that buyer, folks, is not you and I, a retail buyer. That buyer is an institution. It's in there buying once again. Now the goal is going to be, can they get it up and over the swing point that we're talking about? And that's right where we are right now. I do expect they're going to get it. It's going to take oil to catch the bid, and we'll see if, in fact, oil can catch this bid. We go over to the dollar index. Now, dollar index is a huge problem. The dollar index is a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. We'll see whether we're going to build some more cars. The dollar right now is down 400 ticks. We're at 96.16. That little baby wants to make its way down. You're breaking a B point today. You're doing it with volume. The B point that we're talking about is the low that we established last Friday at 96.04. We've hit line. It has the volume. That is going to send the dollar down to 93.12. Now, let's go over to gold. Gold had an extraordinary run. Bottom line, I expect you to see this pullback. The pullback will be on lighter volume. And what will that do? That would be setting up the next run, which what is game in gold now, folks, is this. This is a longer term, but game in gold is $13.92. You're talking about another couple $100 on top of this. What gold has done, it's broken its whole downtrend going all the way back a couple years. Okay, big numbers in gold. Now, let's go over to the bond market, because the bond market today is going to give you a huge amount of information. Why? Because it's been a one-way trade. The 10-year in the last month has gone from 125 to 131.05. Right now, it hit 130.124 today. You've already done 1 million contracts. You're backing off on price. If this 30-year closes under 131.10, and right now at 10:05 Eastern Time, it's at 131.06. Bottom line, you'll get a retracement. That's going to be a deep retracement. That retracement will get you down to about the 129 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking at right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.